Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Using a, an, and the. A friend. An abacus. The moon. What do you call these words? These are called articles. Articles are words that are used before nouns. Articles tell whether a noun is specific or general. When do we use a? A basket, a computer, a ladder. We use a before singular nouns beginning with consonants or consonant sounds. Remember, singular means only one. The word basket begins with a consonant B, so we say a basket. We don't say a baskets, we say a basket. The word computer begins with a consonant C, so we say a computer. We don't say a computers, we say a computer. The word ladder begins with a consonant L, so we say a ladder. We don't say a ladders, we say a ladder. When do we use an? An anchor, an elevator, an umbrella. We use an before singular nouns beginning with vowels or vowel sounds. Remember, singular means only one. Anchor begins with a vowel A, so we say an anchor. We don't say an anchors, we say an anchor. The word elevator begins with a vowel E, so we say an elevator. We don't say an elevators, we say an elevator. The word umbrella begins with a vowel U, so we say an umbrella. We don't say an umbrellas, we say an umbrella. When do we use the? We use the before the names of particular persons, places, things, and ideas, whether singular or plural. Remember, plural means two or more than one. When describing something specific, we use the. Example, the English teacher. The English teacher is my class advisor. The orange house. The orange house was sold yesterday. When it's clear which one you mean, we use the. Example, the book is on the desk. It's a specific book and desk. The dog is barking. We mean a specific dog. The girl with the pink hair is my sister. We mean a specific girl. We use the for things that are unique or one of a kind. Example, the Eiffel Tower. The Big Ben. Using a, an, and the. I saw a cat. It means any cat. But when we say, I saw the cat, we mean a specific cat. She is going to call a doctor. It means any doctor. But when you say, she is going to call the doctor, we mean a specific doctor. You can borrow an umbrella. It means any umbrella. But when we say, you can borrow the umbrella, it means a specific umbrella. They will rent an auditorium. It means any auditorium. But when we say they will rent the auditorium, we mean a specific auditorium. Good job! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!